If you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or solopreneur ready to turn your business ideas into reality, Million Dollar Weekend. The journal is the perfect companion to Noah Kagan's best-selling guide. This 15-page downloadable workbook takes you step by step through the process of uncovering your next big business idea and evaluating its market potential and profitability. Filled with guided exercises like the Growth Machine, Million Dollar Opportunity Challenge, and the Law of 100 Tracker, this journal helps you gamify your entrepreneurial journey while keeping you accountable. It goes beyond just idea generation. It walks you through identifying your ideal customer, crafting your unique angle, and building a marketing strategy that works. Best of all, it's available for free with lifetime access when you download it within 60 days on AppSumo. If you're serious about launching a 7-figure business and want a clear, actionable roadmap, don't miss out. The link to get your free copy is in the description below. Grab it now and start building your dream business today.